Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to remove the watermark of any video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment and share my videos. Let's go to video. Just go to the link I have given in the description. Then you can come to this website. Then you have to download this file. It's only 10.5 MB. After download you close it and go to the file explorer and go to downloads, and there you can see the downloaded file. Then you have to extract this file. Before extract, you have to disconnect your internet connection and you have to extract this file. There you can choose a language. There you have to choose a place the extract file saved. Then click on next. Then the file is installing. Then the file has installed. After install you can see it automatically open. Let's add the file and see. Let's add the file. Now there you can see there's a watermark. Let's add this file. Let's see how to remove this watermark. There you can choose options. Then I will choose this pencil. Like that you have to select the area what you want to remove. After select, click on start. Then click on OK. Then you can see it is processing. Then click on yes. Then open it and see. Now there you can see there's no watermark.